Today we're gonna open this pasalubong. Let's start it now. First one is a doll. Let's open it.
Later.
One. Wallet.
No, it's a bag. Daffy and Friends bag.
Ano ito?
It's a bag. It can be a bag. What is that?
Wallet and handbag.
What is that?
Ito?
No, that one. Yes. Stella Lou.
Tenalu headband.
No, it's a ponytail.
Apple.
Next one.
Keychain.
It's a...
Something's in it. What is that?
No, it's not. It's not a money, okay? What is that? Can you show us?
Wallet.
What is that? What wallet?
Follow me.
And the last item. Next. What is that? Show us.
What?
Show us.
Watch. Ito, ganito. The last one.
It's a
Isa.
necklace.
Necklace. Thank you, Ate. Thank you, Tita Mon. Thank you, Tita Jen. Thank you for the gift on Japan. I like it so much. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like it. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.